You don't need to spend hundreds on e-tools. I tested the best free alternatives that rival paid software, and some actually outperform them. Here's what actually works. Most creators assume premium equals better. That's wrong. Free e-tools today offer enterprise-level features from writing and design to coding and video editing. The catch? You'll invest time learning them. But for freelancers and small businesses watching budgets, free tools eliminate waste. They're your competitive edge if you know which ones to use. ChatGPT free tier crushes basic content creation. Claude's free version handles complex analysis better. Canva's free version handles complex analysis better. Canva's free tier covers 80% of design needs. Descript free edits videos faster than Adaba. Perplexity A researches better than paid alternatives. Each replaces tools costing $2,000 monthly. Test them risk-free, save thousands yearly. Pay for premium when free tier limits kill productivity. Need unlimited API calls? Pay. Using A professionally for clients earning you money? Upgrade. Free tools excel for learning, testing, and side projects, but if A directly generates revenue, premium plans typically offer better ROI than the subscription cost. Calculate your break-even point first. Start with free. Test ChatGPT Claude. Only upgrade when free limits become revenue obstacles. Most create Albert tools you use daily. After 30 days, identify bottlenecks where paid plans would save time. Only upgrade when free limits become revenue obstacles. Most creators thrive with 2-3 premium tools plus free drop a like, subscribe for weekly AI tool breakdowns, and comment which free tool surprised you most. Let's build this community together. But